Hey everyone, I'm Curlin, and I'm thrilled to tell you about AI Basics. Are you curious about artificial intelligence, but don't know where to start? No problem in this fun and informative course. We'll demystify the world of AI together. You absolutely don't need to have any prior experience. We'll explore what AI is, how it works, and why it's revolutionizing our world. You'll learn about the most popular AI platform, ChatGPT, and discover how to harness its incredible potential. Plus, I'll teach you the secret to controlling ChatGPT, the power of proper prompting. Imagine being able to get ChatGPT to do exactly what you need. This course will open up a world of possibilities, whether you're looking to boost your productivity, spark your creativity, or simply understand the technology shaping our future. So if you're ready to unlock the magic of AI and have some fun along the way, let's dive in. I can't wait to see you in our course.